Earlier, we were getting crafty with some Valentine's decorating. Now, some Valentine's Day gifting. Amy Latta joins us again with creative gifts that you still have time to pull off. And absolutely, we still have time. Valentine's Day is not until Friday. Good morning again, Amy. How are you?
I'm doing well.
First up, how sweet it is. You are dressing up some basic chocolate. So, what does this mean?
So this one, I love those quick and easy gifts, like you were saying, where, I didn't have time to make something really elaborate, but I need something that my kids can give their teachers or, that I can give to my neighbor or a friend. So this is a really easy way that you can gift just a Hershey's chocolate bar, but we're going to jazz it up a little bit. So all I did was I took a pre-cut 5-inch square of fabric and I just went through my stash and I looked for anything that was pink or red or like this is black with pink flowers. So anything that looked Valentine's-y. And what I did was just wrap that pre-cut square, or you can cut any fabric into a 5-inch square, wrapped it around the Hershey bar, and I used adhesive tape just to hold it in place. If you want to get extra fancy, you can sew a piece of lace onto the fabric before you wrap it. And then I just made these cute little ribbon bows and used a glue dot to hold them on. You don't want to use hot glue because that could melt the chocolate and we don't want that. So I just used one of those little adhesive dots and it holds the bow on. And I just think these are adorable. We actually made a whole bunch of them to give out at one of our local schools as a teacher appreciation gift. So it's going to go in everybody's mailbox and they're going to get a nice little sweet treat for Valentine's Day. So really easy, really quick to make. And it's just a nice little gift for anyone.
Well, right, and it's better than just throwing a Hershey bar on somebody's desk, right? It shows that you put in the extra time and care and love this Valentine's Day.
A little bit of effort.
Exactly. A little bit of effort goes a long way. Now,
Yeah.
conversation hearts are next, but not for eating. What do you got?
Right. So these are like the quintessential Valentine's Day candy, and whether you love them or hate to eat them, they're still adorable. So I made these coasters themed after the conversation hearts. So all I did here was I took pre-cut 5-inch squares again. This is my favorite kind of fabric because they already did the work for me. And I just took white ones for the front of the coasters and colored ones for the back. And then I cut hearts out of scraps of fabric that I had that were in those pastel colors that remind me of the candies. So I have this little half heart template, but you can also freehand a heart really easily. And I just put fusible interfacing on the back of the heart, which is something that makes it iron onto other fabric and stay there. So I ironed it on and then I stitched around it. And I used a fabric marker, a permanent one, to write a little message. So I looked up what they said, and it was things like kiss me, hug me, cutie pie, love ya. And you can make them say anything you want, whatever message you have. And then all I did was I took the piece of fabric for the back, put them right sides together, sew around the edges, turn it right side out, and you've got a coaster. So it's a really quick and easy little sewing project, and you can make a whole set of them with different messages, different colors. And I know that was really kind of fast to talk you through it. So on my website, I've got a breakdown of the full steps and how to do this if you really want to try to make your own.
Absolutely. That's amylattacreations.com. And yeah, I love when you walk us through this. Our viewers do too. But if you really want to get in and figure it out, your website's the best place to do it. Amy, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. Happy Valentine's Day.
To you as well, and to your family too.